Here to these switches, before them and after them, we have what we call a critter guard. Critter means creature or animal. So these basically are here to protect the switches from wildlife animals. And how they work, if you come closer to them here, you will see that first there is a mesh that would prevent any snake or any type of animals to scroll on the line. And also those pieces basically, if an animal land on them or a bird land on them, they basically are not stable. They will start to rotate, and hence the animal will fall down. So this is basically one category of product that is used to protect overhead lines from wildlife animals. Please join me to show you some other products are also used for the same purpose. Protection against wildlife animals is a big concern for utilities, especially those use overhead lines. For example, here in North America, we have a lot of overhead lines inside the cities. Around, there are a lot of animals that can climb over the poles, and they can cause several types of failures, mainly line to line, or because of their guano, they can also cause pollution-induced failures. So there is a wide range of products that are used to protect the overhead lines from the outages due to those wildlife animals. One of them is the one that I just showed you in the video. Others as well, for example, here is the Raptor Guard. When the Raptor with as we know it, it has wide span in their wings. So when they land or they fly from the poles, they spread their wings, then this can cause a flashover. So those guards basically will protect the touching of the two wings to the overhead lines. Also, bear conductors is something very dangerous to squirrels, to bears, to snakes. So we cover them basically here with this is like a bushing cover, and this bushing cover will cover the live part from the bushing. Hence, if something touches the bushing, there is no harm. Another example is a fused tape application. So those tapes are fused. They actually you wrap them around the live conductors, and they fuse and they chemically bond to the conductor. So they will prevent again any direct connection between the live conductors and the animals. So these are just some examples of those products. So if you are around the city and you see those things, so now you know that these are to protect the overhead lines from the wildlife